guys, welcome to one more video on Isaac's channel, and in this video we're going to learn about the tissues of the human body. So don't forget to like the video and let's start. First, what are tissues? A tissue is a group of similar cells working together to perform a specific function. Your entire body is made up of tissues, and these tissues combine together to form organs like the skin, lungs, and heart, for example. Scientists study tissues through a field called histology. There are four main types of tissues: epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscle tissue, and nervous tissue. Number 1. Epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue forms the covering of all internal and external body surfaces. Its cells are tightly packed together with very little extracellular matrix between them. Epithelial tissue also has a distinct apical or top surface and a basal or bottom surface. It usually has no blood vessels and regenerates quickly. Epithelial tissue is classified by both cell shape and the number of layers. The cell shapes are squamous, flat and scale-like shells, cuboidal, cube-shaped cells, and columnar, tall column-like cells. The layers are a single layer of cells, stratified, multiple layers of cells, and pseudo-stratified, that appears layered but is actually a single layer of cells. Examples include simple squamous epithelium, found in the alveoli of lungs and endothelium lining of blood vessels, simple cuboidal epithelium, found in the kidney, tubules, thyroid glands, and surface of the ovary, simple columnar epithelium, found in the stomach, intestines, gallbladder, and uterus, stratified squamous epithelium, found in skin, epidermis, mouth, esophagus, and vagina, stratified columnar epithelium, found in male urethra, large ducts of some glands, pseudostratified ciliated epithelium, found in trachea and bronchi, and transitional epithelium, found in the urinary bladder, ureters, and part of the urethra. Its functions include protection, absorption, secretion, excretion, filtration, and transport. Number 2. Connective tissue. Connective tissues hold the body together, supports organs, protects underlying structures. Unlike epithelial tissue, connective tissue has a large extracellular matrix and usually has a blood supply. The matrix may be liquid, gel-like, or solid. Its main components are cells, fibers, and ground substance. There are two main categories. Loose connective tissue, which is soft and flexible, includes areolar tissue, provides flexible support and is found under the skin. Adipose tissue stores fat and provides insulation and cushioning, and reticular tissue supports organs like the liver and spleen. Dense connective tissue contains many collagen fibers and includes dense regular connective tissue made of parallel collagen fibers found in tendons and ligaments, dense irregular connective tissue made of random fiber arrangement found in the dermis and organ capsules, and there are also specialized connective tissues, including cartilage that provides flexible support, bone that provides rigid support and protection, blood that has a liquid matrix called plasma, involved in transport and immunity. Its functions include support, protection, binding, storage, and transport. Number 3. Muscle tissue. Muscle tissue is composed of fibers responsible for movement, maintaining posture, and generating heat. There are 3 types of muscle tissue. Skeletal muscle tissue attached to bones, long, multinucleated, and striated fibers, has voluntary control and is responsible for body movement and posture. Examples include the biceps and quadriceps. Cardiac muscle tissue, located in the walls of the heart, has branched striated cells with a single nucleus. It's connected by intercalated discs, has involuntary control, and is responsible for pumping blood. The myocardium is an example of cardiac muscle tissue. Smooth muscle tissue found in the walls of hollow organs, spindle-shaped non-striated cells with a single nucleus, has involuntary control, and is responsible for moving substances through organs. Examples include the intestines and blood vessels. And number 4. Nervous tissue. Nervous tissue is the primary component of the nervous system and is responsible for communication throughout the body. It is made of 2 major categories of cells, neurons and neuroglia. Neurons, also called nerve cells, are specialized for electrical impulses. They have 3 main parts: dendrites that receive signals, cell body or stoma processes signals, and axons transmit signals to other cells. Neuroglia, also called glial cells, do not transmit electrical impulses directly, but they provide critical support to neurons. Examples include astrocytes, maintain the blood-brain barrier and support neurons, oligodendrocytes for myelin sheaths in the central nervous system, microglia act as immune cells in the central nervous system, ependymal cells produce and circulate cerebrospinal fluid, Schwann cells for myelin sheaths in the peripheral nervous system, and the functions of nervous tissue include sensory input, which detects stimuli, integration, which processes information, and motor output, which sends responses to muscles and glands. So guys, this was our video on body tissues. While there are many specialized tissues and cell types in the human body, we focused on the primary ones. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy anatomy and science content. And see you in the next video.